So hello little chess champs, today we will learn about stalemate. What is stalemate? Stalemate happens when it's a player 10 but they cannot move any legal move without putting their knight in check. So the king is not in the check but there is no valid moves for any piece. Then the result will be end in a draw. So what about the stalemate and checkmate? So checkmate will be check is in the king is in the check and cannot escape. The game ends with a win for the other player. Stalemate will be the king is not in a check but no legal moves are possible, so the game ends in a draw. Let's see some example. In this scenario, the king has no legal move without moving into check. There are no pieces left to move, so the result will be draw. Let's see another example. See this position. So king has no move, no legal move, right? But it is not in the check. So this position is called stalemate. So why stalemate matters? For winning player, a careless move can lead to stalemate, letting your opponent escape with a draw. Avoid leaving your opponent without leaving moves unless it's a checkmate. For losing player, look the way to force a stalemate. It is your best chance to avoid losing the game. So always check if your king has no moves. If so, it might be stalemate. Think ahead to avoid accidentally creating the stalemate for your opponent. So stalemate is like a chess safety net for losing players. It does not win the game, but it can stop you from losing. Use it wisely. Happy learning, little chess champs.